Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, here a dishonest merchant sells his goods at 12.5% loss. Friends, 12.5% is equal to 1 by 8. Its fractional value is 1 by 8. Friends, I am taking the cost price as 72, a multiple of 8. Friends, cost price is 72. Then the sold price will be 1 by 8 of 72, 9. 72 minus 9, 63. So, 12.5% loss means if cost price is 72, then the sold price will be 63. In other words, if each gram is 1 rupee, he has to give 72 grams. For rupees 63. Each gram 1 rupee. But friends, what he is doing now? By using a false weight, he is weighing 28 grams instead of 36 grams. He is weighing 28 grams instead of 36 grams. So, to 36 is 72. To 28 is 56. So he is weighing 56 grams only. Instead of 72 grams. So friends, now he is not giving 72 grams. He is giving only 56 grams. Now he is giving only 56 grams at the price of 63 grams. So here profit is 7. Profit by cost price into 100 7 eighths for 2s for 25s 25 by 2 means 12.5% gain friends, 12.5% profit. Thank you. Have a nice day.